Hello students, let's see the installation procedure of Visual Studio 2010 Express Edition. Yeah, click onto the setup, run the exe file, then you will be getting this interface. Please select Visual C++ 2010 from the list. Okay, see here which one I am pointing, this one, Visual C++ 2010 Express. You are supposed to select that. Then you follow the procedure. It will take a moment. Let's see what it shows. Yeah, setup is loading. Wait for a while. Now check the I accept. Click on that. Click next. Now you are supposed to select all the packages. By default it will be selected only. Just click on next. It will take some time. Okay, you have to wait almost 15 to 20 minutes it takes. Okay, yeah, setup is completed. Now click on exit. Yeah, then close the window. Click here, click on close. Fine. Next is configuring the OpenGL files. Students, please remember, there is a DLL file required, library file required, as well as include that header file is required. Okay, so what we are doing is we are glut32.lib, glut.h, as well as glut32.dll. These three files will be placing at three different locations. Please go through carefully the installation process, the setup process, and observe the paths. So guys, please observe the setup process carefully. Fine, here we go for the setup. So go to program files, check for Microsoft Visual 10.0. in that we see. Okay, just click on lib. Now keep this minimized. Now the library, glut library file. Okay, actually we have including glut32. We have also downloaded glue as well as the other libraries relevant to it. You can paste all of them. Otherwise glut32 is enough at the particular path. And path you can observe here, Microsoft Visual Studio 10 VC lib. Okay, which will be there in program files of C drive. Next will be the header file. As you can see, yeah, library is over. Now include the header file h, it should be pasted in the include path. Just observe the path is same, include. Okay, GL files include in that GL, so you are supposed to paste it. Okay, check the path. See program files, Microsoft Visual Studio 10 VC include. Okay, just paste it over here. All the include files you are supposed to copy. Actually glut.h is enough, and if you want you can copy the remaining which is available over there. Copy and paste. Okay, configuration of library files as well as header files are completed. Now remaining is what? DLL file is remaining. Let us see how to do that. Fine. Yeah, this is for your reference purpose. Okay, fine. VC and all those things are not required actually. Okay, fine. Now observe, in system32 the DLL file should be placed in system32 of Windows. Okay, hope it is clearly visible. glut32.dll along with that GLU DLL, glue32 DLL and so on. So glut32.dll is sufficient. Please observe the path over here. What is the path? Check. It will be local disk C, Windows system 32. Okay, this is for 32-bit system. Please remember, it is for 32-bit system. That is all about the configuration of OpenGL files. Now Visual Studio is installed. Configuration of OpenGL is completed. You click on Visual C++ 2010, that Visual Studio icon. So that's it guys, that is about the installation. Thank you for watching.